Let's learn about place value of numbers. Every number is formed by a single digit or a group of digits. If it's a single digit number, it will have only one digit. If it's a two digit number, it has two digits. So here is a two digit number 12. So let's look at the number from right to left. So the rightmost digit is 2 and it is called the ones place. 2 occupies the ones place. And the next number 1 occupies the tens place. So 2 is occupying the ones place and 1 is occupying the tens place. So we can write there are 1 10 and 2 ones in 12. Let's take 10. So 10 has two digits, 0 and 1. So we look at the number from right to left. So the rightmost digit 0, we say 0 is in the ones place. So the next digit is 1 and we say 1 is in the tens place. Tens place. So we say 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. So we say 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. So 1 multiplied by 10 plus 0 multiplied by 1 is 10. So we can easily see there is only 1 10 because in the tens place we have 1 and there are 0 ones because in the ones place we have 0. If instead of 1 we have 2 here, we would say there is 2 tens because in the tens place we have 2. So the place value starts from the rightmost position and it starts with ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. So let's look at a 3-digit number, say 123. 123. So we look at the number from right to left. So the rightmost digit is 3 and we say 3 is in the ones place. 2 is the next digit and we say it is in the tens place. Tens place. The next digit is 1. We say 1 is in the hundreds place. Hundreds place. Let me write in a better way. So we say in 123 we have 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. So we write 100 and there are 2 tens, okay, 2 tens. And how many ones? There is 3 ones. Okay. So looking at the place value, we can easily say how many tens or ones or hundreds are there. So 1 is in the 100th place, so we can easily say there is only 100 in 123. 2 is in the tens place, so there are 2 tens. 3 is in the ones place, so there are 3 ones.